Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Rutu's World. If you are new here, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. In this video, we are going to make gesso at home and revamp of box. So I use gesso in lot of videos like these videos. So without any delay, let's start it. So first of all, we need 2 teaspoons of talcum powder and 3 teaspoons of glue. I am using Fevicol glue. And add 1 teaspoon of color. I am using white color for gesso. So it is little bit thick, so I am adding water and mix it well. There should be no lumps in it. Now I am going to check it out. Yes, it is ready. We have to store it in airtight container and our gesso is ready. Now we are going to make box revamp, so let's get started. But first of all, please subscribe and click the bell icon. First of all, I am using homemade gesso. So we have to paint the whole lid. Now we have to paint box also with gesso. And you can see it is really working. Okay, so after it dries, it look like this. Now I am using this Decoupage napkin paper. It is really beautiful. To cut it, I am using wet brush and tear the paper with hands, not with scissors. So now remove the 2 layers of paper like this. After removing it, apply glue on the lid and stick the paper with the help of dry brush. You can use any glue. I am using Mod Podge glue. All the materials link are in description box below. You can check it out. So now I am using here white acrylic color and chalk paint. So take little bit of chalk paint and add little bit of white color in it and mix it well. Color the lid with that color. Match the color with the paper that we stick on the lid. So after painting is over, I'm giving 1 coat of glue. I'm using here Mod Podge glue. You can buy these materials from Etsy Bitsy or Amazon app. For the box, I'm using pink chalk paint and white Fevicryl acrylic paint. So take some pink chalk paint and make little bit of white in it. Color the whole box. It is looking so simple, so I am going to draw polka dots on it. I am using pen to draw it and using golden color. So after drawing polka dots, give one coat of Mod Podge glue. To enhance the lead, I am going to stick the ball chain bead with fabric glue. So now our box is ready. You can use it to store your jewelry and many more.